Hi everyone, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and get logged out of your WhatsApp from other devices in Android. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we will simply go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, you first of all gonna go ahead and access your WhatsApp in your mobile phone. Once you have done so, you can find this kind of interface over here with including all of your messages or the group that you have created with the options given below as chats, updates, communities, and calls right there. But for you to log out from other devices that you are particularly signed in your laptop, desktop, or anywhere else, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead, tap on your profile icon on top right corner. Now this will show this kind of interface over here, right? So for what you're gonna do is simply gonna tap on this option called link devices given this start messages option. Once you have done so, you can find all of the devices that your account is linked with that is open and active. So you can see now it's active on this Windows over here, last active today at 6:40 p.m. even the time is showing up. Now you're going to tap on this and tap on this logout option, which will simply log you out from that particular devices on your wherever it is logged in. So from the Windows it will simply log out. You can simply do it, and that will be it for you all. So this is it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.